the BHC chicken.
These flavors are spicy. My wife doesn't like eating spicy chicken. I'm not a fan of like cheese powder chicken, so the compromise is going to have to obviously be us getting this regular flavored chicken, and we'll see how that tastes. No. It's called the cheese powder, bro. Okay, bro. I can tell you right now, I don't like the cheese.
It's my first time trying the corn dog. You like it?
Good flavor.
I like it.
Zero out of 10. What's wrong, man? Zero out of 10.
I don't like it. I agree.
So they put some type of like cheese powder where like it kind of tastes like if you're an American like sour cream and onion chip flavor, but it just doesn't go together with this, in my opinion, at all. I think my wife doesn't mind it on the corn dog, but on the fried cheese, on the fried cheese, it just doesn't go together. I don't know what the thought process was behind that creation, but 0 out of 10 for me. Now I tried a piece of the chicken already. Number one, it's extremely fresh, crispy. The flavor kind of reminds me of like the soy garlic one we tried in the Philippines. This is a combination of soy sauce, honey, and garlic. So I'll give it 7.5.
This is good. I will try with radish. With radish 8.